St. Clair's Falls, Little Niagara of Sri Lanka. One of Sri Lanka's widest and most iconic waterfalls, St. Clair's Falls cascades over 3 rocky tiers into a large pool, framed by lush tea estates in Nuwara Eliya. Highlights: width and height, 50 meters wide, 80 meters high. Twin cascades, Maha, Greater Fall, and Kuda, Lesser Fall. Tea country backdrop, flows through the historic St. Clair Tea Estate. Best viewing spots: Roadside, St. Clair's Falls Viewing Gallery on the A7 highway, Hatton, Nuwara Eliya Road. Train, stunning glimpse from the Colombo Badulla Main Line near Talawakele. Best time to visit: rainy season, May to Sept. Falls are fullest and most dramatic. Dry season, Feb to April. Clear weather for photography. Flow may be lower. Travel tips: location, 3 kilometers west of Talawakele, 24 kilometers from Nuwara Eliya. Nearby attraction, Devon Falls, just 2 kilometers away. Amenities: tea shop and restaurant, Mlesna Tea Castle, near the Viewpoint. Access: main roadside viewpoint is free. Trails through the estate exist, but base access is restricted.